Welcome to the quick unboxing video of the latest 2022 model of Canyon Torque CF7. So I took the Corcoma Kingdom colorway for its unique color combination. And guess what? Just the right timing for Christmas after I ordered it December 6th. And within just 5 days, it arrived from Germany all the way to the lovely city of Singapore. So really, what more could I ask for? Perfect Christmas gift, right? So out of the box, Canyon comes with a set of tools and sharp air pumps, just perfect to build your bike. And as you can see from here, we have this basic parts to just quick start your bike. So we have here also the set of wheel set, which is a DT Swiss FR270 with Maxxis DHR for the rear and also Maxxis accelerator for the front. And at the moment, what we are waiting for. Let's see what the beautiful frame looks like. So it comes with the 170mm of travel RockShox set and 170mm RockShox Super Deluxe here. So apologies for the very quick unboxing video because I'm too excited to blast into the trails and show you some glimpse of riding experience with trail riding, enduro, bike park, with jumps and berms. You can see the link below, description for the full bike check, brought to you by my riding buddy, MKBM Productions. So please support this channel. Let's go.